We're going to continue on Chapter 5's business management. We're going to see some different types of strategy or the hierarchy of strategy. So at the very top, we have corporate strategy, which is the largest scope. And then we have business or competitive strategy. And at the bottom, we have functional strategy. So we have different types of strategy. So we have corporate strategy, which is a strategy for determining the firm's overall attitude towards growth and the way it will manage its business or product line. Business or competitive strategy is at business unit or product line level, focusing on improving a firm's competitive position. And last, we have functional strategy, which is a strategy by which managers in specific areas decide how best to achieve corporate goals through productivity. Let's see how to actually formulate strategy. So step 1 is setting strategic goals. Step 2 is analyzing the organization and the environment using SWOT analysis. Step 3 is matching the organization and its environment. SWOT analysis is for identification and analysis of organizational strengths and weaknesses, environmental opportunities, and threats as part of strategic formulation. After SWOT, the company can adjust strategic goals and set plans. Environmental analysis is a process of scanning the business environment for threats and opportunities. Organizational analysis is the process of analyzing a firm's strengths and weaknesses. Strategic plan is a plan of reflecting decisions about resource allocation, company priorities, and steps needed to meet strategic goals. A tactical plan is generally a short-term plan concerned with implementing specific aspects of a company's strategic plans. Operational plan is a plan setting short-term targets for daily, weekly, or monthly performance. Contingency planning is identifying aspects of a business or its environment that might entail changes in strategy. Crisis management is an organization's method for dealing with emergencies. When we say corporate culture, it can imply many things, but we can briefly define corporate culture as the shared experience, stories, beliefs, and norms that characterize an organization. And this defines the work and business climate that exists in an organization. Managing change is a completely different topic. There are 3 stages. At the highest level, analysis of a company's environment highlights extensive change as the most effective response to its problems. Top management begins to formulate a vision of a new company. The firm sets up new systems for appraising and compensating employees who enforce the firm's new values.